So I'm heading out to a big family dinner, but I have a quick overly organized tip for you. We have 5 kiddos coming to dinner, and in an effort to keep them off of electronics, I have put together little gift bags / activity bags for each one of them. I used a number 8, and I used a mini luggage tag and put each of their names on them. Each of them got a different color. In the girls, I put like a bracelet, packet, a coloring activity book, some silly scented color pencils, some unicorn putty, because we always need unicorn putty, and my daughter picked out these little troll toys, and those will all go in each of there. And then for the boys, I did a little Star Wars Lego set, Toy Story 4 Uno, Silly Scents as well, they got putty as well, and then a Lego City sticker and coloring book. So each of them will have a little something to do over dinner, and hopefully will stay off of the electronics. And they have a cute little gift that they can use over and over again to take their little activities on the go. There's your tip. Have a great day.